have to modify everything because it doesn't quite really fit, as you can see. Neither there nor the wides. It doesn't, the fork doesn't spread enough. So yeah, I'll have to modify this somehow. Don't know yet how. Either I'm gonna use another type of fork, a wider one, and the same goes for the back. The same story, exactly the same story, but in the back I'll just weld some brackets till here. Yeah, that's simple. That's really okay. Let's begin with the beginning. This is a Bafang motor, 36 volts. I believe it's 250 watts or 350 watts, I don't know. And I want to try it. If that doesn't work, I'll just change the hub. I'll put an 800 watt hub because I can, and I'll make it a 60 volt 1000 watts. Yeah, 1000 watts if I take a 52 volts hub motor into a 1000 watts. So yeah, if you can give me ideas. This was a project that I started. Oh, wait a second. This is how it's gonna look. Sort of, kind of. Little tweaks here and there, but this is kind of the finished product, to put it that way. So yeah, I'm waiting for feedback from you guys. Maybe you can help me with some ideas how to spread these two legs and the back fork also. The back fork, I do believe the only way I'm gonna fit this is by welding to this kind of profile, rectangular shape profile, welded somehow to accommodate this. Yeah, so I'm waiting for suggestions. I think it's gonna be a really nice build. I really like it, and I can't wait to finish it. I think I'm gonna use some different handlebars. I don't know yet. Might go with a lower stance. These are kind of like a chopper. It's not bad. I don't know. We shall see.